small issues can lead to bigger problems. Your house is more than just a place to live. It's an investment that deserves proper care. At CustomHomeRenovate.com, we don't just fix homes. We bring your vision to life. With our years of building experience, we will do whatever it takes to get the renovation and repairs done right. We're different because our #1 goal is to make sure the job is performed the right way, even if it takes additional time and money to talk with you about pros and cons with your repair or renovation options. We take the time to discuss the project using our years of experience to ensure the project aligns with your goals. It may cost us time and money, but your satisfaction is worth every minute to us. Your home, your investment, your peace of mind, we're here to protect it all. When you hire us, you know exactly what to expect. No surprises, just the home of your dreams. Trust Custom Home. Renovate.com. We're different because we go the extra mile to ensure the job is done right, so you never worry about it again. Visit our website to see our repair and renovation starting prices and see our daily updated photo portfolio. Book us by clicking Schedule a Call to get your repair or renovation done today.